Good day, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to build this rose, metal rose. So I already took and cut these petals out. So this here, and I just kind of did them. So that piece there ends up being this middle piece right there, which I will weld on right like this. So I'll just tack it on, and then I just take it and smash it with a hammer and bend it around there, and it ends up looking like that. So I didn't heat it up or nothing, but even if it's just fairly thin metal, I don't know what gauge it would be, but if you had just like a propane torch or whatever and heat it up, that would make it a lot easier. I don't actually think I have one here, so I'm not going to. I'm just going to bend it. But other than very basic, simple tools, I had just scrap metal that I made these patterns out of just a piece of paper first, traced them out. Just simple. It's a little one, two bigger ones, and then there's four big size. So, and you can cut them out with an angle grinder if you want. I've done it before, but I cut them out with my little Amazon plasma cutter, and then I'm welding them together with my MIG welder. And I think it turned out fantastic. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll take and just weld this on, tack it on there like that. There you go, just tacked on. Just a little tack there. I'm actually going to tack it on right in there now, actually. And I just got my little railroad tie anvil that I'm using as an anvil, and you just hit it with a hammer, smack it around. So I'm going to just do that because I don't really have a tripod or nothing, or a way to, well, we can do that. Let's see. I'm working on the floor because I don't know why. I think I started this one in the vise because it worked out a little bit better. Okay. There's that. Let's see if this will work. I doubt it. And once it starts, though, there we go. So you can see it starting to bend. You gotta weld it on pretty good because it will come off, which mine did. There you go. Just like that. You can't really see it, but so I got her bent just like that. And it did move on me, so a little bit, not bad. But now I'm just going to take and weld that on there better now, and then we move to the pedal. So now we'll take one of the medium pedals that we made, weld it on, tack it on, and then bend it, and then take the other one, tack it on and bend it. So I'm just gonna go and do that. Got that tacked on there, then you bend it. Put it down here again. There you go. There. And you just take and bend it. I ain't no blacksmith, so this would be a lot easier if I would heat it up too. Another one was working better. And there you have it again. So there's that one. Kind of see it there. I'm going to weld on the other side. I'm going to weld this together, and then I'm going to weld the other side on there also. So just like that. Got the other one welded on there. Just got to beat it round. Just like that. So I got they're both welded on there. I just did it. So now, you take a bigger pedal and you put it, these ones are like this, so you want to put this one over that joint, like that. And then again, same with the other side, like that with another pedal. And you want them, I think, kind of be equal, maybe a little bit taller than that. So I might actually cut this down a little bit, that they don't need to be quite so long from here to the bottom. Otherwise, I think, because I did do that on this one, otherwise it gets too long and pointy. So then I'm going to try, I don't know. Alright, so I forgot to do something before I welded that one on there, which is I'm just gonna bend this, take this and bend it back a little bit so it, so what you want to do is, before you weld this leaf pedal on, you want to just take a pliers, and I did it to this one, you can't really see, but just take a pliers and give this top of this pedal just a little bit of a bend. Not much, doesn't need much. Just give it a little bend. Doing it with one hand is kind of difficult. So, okay, so now just from bending it, I got these little creases here. So I'm gonna cut that off, both corners, and then That side's not bad. And then I'll just fill it in with weld and grind if I have to. So, and the same thing with these pedals, before you do the next one, take in with your pliers and bend them, and then it'll be good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you again. So now, see, I cut those nubs off a little bit. I think if you heat it, it wouldn't do that, but, or you could pound it out anyways. Now we're gonna take the last two pedals and put them like that. Again, now across this seam again, put them like that, and then the other one on the other side, which I'm just going to do again. There you got her. That's done. If you wanted to, you could maybe do another pedal, but I tried and it just looked too big for me. But that's where I'm gonna leave it there. So now I'm gonna take these two little things here, one there, and just put them on. We'll tack it on here somewhere, and then the other one underneath it. So I'll do it, and then I'll just like that. I just staggered them a little bit, and then now we'll just take and cut it off, because I just bought a 4-foot rod. So we'll cut it off probably around here somewhere, and then we'll give her a little bend. There's that. I cut it off, I don't know, about a foot maybe. So now this one just has a bend like that already. Just happened like that in while I was welding it, or hammering and stuff. If you wanted to, you could just leave it straight, but I'm gonna give it another little bend somewhere in here, just because. Give it a little bit more character, I guess. And I just stick it in the vise and just pull it. So, and I'll bend it the same direction as this. So it'd be a kind of the flower, if it was coming out of the ground, that it was, whoop. I'll probably do it, it'll have to be like around here somewhere. Not much, something like that. It's not a whole lot. But now we're gonna paint it. And I'm gonna paint them both blue. And this here, I'm gonna paint, I don't know. I might do like a darker earth type of green, because that's what a stem would be. And then I'm gonna do these blue, the like flower part of it blue. So I'm gonna decide what I wanna do here, and then you'll see it.
There you have it. Painted it. And that's how you make a metal rose. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.